Good afternoon. Today we will see about the data structures. In that, many topics are there in data structures. In that, we will see now what is stack. Yes, a stack is a linear data structure that follows a particular order in which the operations are performed, and the order will be a LIFO, which means last in first to or first in last out. LIFO implies that the element that is inserted last and comes out first, and FILO implies that the element that is inserted first comes out last. So these are the example diagram for the stack, how it is work. So there is an elements that is which is pushed into one by one into the stack, and then once you call that a pop function, it will come out from the stack. For example, real world stack, files of books, etc. A stack is an abstract data type which a predefined capacity, which means that it can store the elements on a limited size. It is a data structure that follows some order to insert and delete elements, and that order can be left or filled. Consider a plate stacked over one another in the canteen. The plate which is at the top is the first one to be removed. That is, the plate which has been placed at the bottommost position remains in the stack of the longest period of time. So these are some example diagram for the stack. How working of stack is working. Stack works on a LIFO pattern. Example, there are 5 memory blocks in the stack. Therefore, the size of the stack is 5. Suppose we want to store the elements in a stack, and let's assume the stack is empty. We have taken the stack of the size is 5 as shown below, in which we are pushing the elements one by one until the stack becomes full. So we are pushing one by one elements until the stack becomes a full, because already we assumed that is stack of size of the stack is 5. Now, what are the operations used in stack? Now, there are many operations we are using in stack. Let's see one by one. There is a push operation. Pop is empty, is full. Peak, count, change, display. So push is used for when we insert an element in a stack, then the operation is known as a push. If the stack is full, then the overflow condition occurs. Pop means when we delete an element from the stack, the operation is known as a pop. If the stack is empty, means then no element exists in the stack. This state is known as the underflow state. Is empty means it determines whether the stack is empty or not. Once the user is calling is empty, whether they want to delete any element from the stack, means before that we have to check whether it is empty or not. Before you are going to add an element, before adding the element into the stack, we have to check whether it is full or not. So for that, we have to check that is full method. It determines whether the stack is full or not. Pick, it returns the element at the given position. Count, it returns the total number of elements available in the stack. Change, it changes the element at the given position. Display, it prints all the elements available in the stack. These are the stack push operations explanations. We have to check whether the condition whether the stack is full or not. For that, suppose if it is a full means even users are trying to add an element into the stack, it will show that overflow condition occurs. So it is called as a top equal to top plus 1. So these are the push operation, and this is the pop operation. Pop operation, it will usually, suppose if the stack is empty, even the user wants to try to delete any element from the stack, means it shows the underflow condition occurs. So it's decremented by 1, top is equal to top minus 1. Now, what are the stack notations? It's evaluation, arithmetic expressions, backtracking, delimiter checking, reverse date processing, function calls. These are some of the stack notations. And what are the main 3 notations to be present in an arithmetic expressions? Infix notations, prefix notations, and postfix notations. Infix notations is nothing but in an expression in which each operator is placed between the operands. Infix expressions can be parenthesized or unparenthesized depending upon the problem requirement. Prefix notation is the operator before the operands. The operator should be placed before the operands, and again often referred to the police notation. Postfix notations is nothing but the postfix notations places the operator after the operands. So these are some of the examples of the infix, prefix, and postfix notations. These are some of the example code that is used in C. Okay, guys, these are the stack and stack operations used in, it is implemented in C. We will see the another topic in another video. Thank you.